Adhesive tape touches nearly every industry, securing everything from vast airplane wings to delicate medical dressings. At Microlab, we ensure that each strip continues to do its invaluable job. Through rigorous testing tailored to specific applications, we guarantee that every tape meets the highest standards for performance and safety before companies entrust them to safeguard human life and enterprise. Here is a quick preview of the testing that we carry out. These are carried out as per company standards. We begin with tensile strength and elongation testing. In this crucial test, we place the tape in a tensile testing machine, which gradually pulls the tape until it breaks. This process measures the maximum force the tape can withstand and its elongation capacity before breaking, vital for applications where tapes are expected to maintain their hold under tension. Next, we assess the tape's creep and peel resistance. In the creep test, the tape is applied to a surface, and a weight is hung from it to see how long it can hold before shearing off. The peel test involves applying the tape to a standard test panel, then peeling it back at a consistent angle and speed, measuring the force required to remove it. This test is essential for tapes used in environments where they are subject to constant or shifting loads. In the moisture and humidity resistance test, we expose tapes to high humidity conditions, typically over 90%, to check for warpage, peeling, or loss of adhesion. This test is crucial for tapes used in outdoor or moist environments, where they must maintain their integrity despite the presence of moisture. Temperature and humidity cycling simulate extreme environmental conditions. Tapes are subjected to cycles of high and low temperatures combined with varying humidity levels, assessing how they react to changes in temperature and humidity, ensuring they can withstand conditions like freezing winters or scorching summers. In chemical resistance testing, we immerse tapes in various chemicals like acid or alkali to evaluate their resistance. This test is crucial for tapes used in industrial settings where they might come into contact with harsh chemicals, observing any changes in the tape's physical properties, adhesion, or overall integrity after prolonged exposure. Tapes are exposed to UV light and other weathering elements to simulate prolonged outdoor exposure. This test helps us understand how well the tape can maintain its color, adhesion, and structural integrity when exposed to sunlight and other weather conditions over time. In dynamic load and impact testing, we subject tapes to sudden impacts and heavy loads to evaluate their shock-absorbing capabilities and structural integrity under dynamic forces, important for tapes used in industries where they might experience sudden jolts or heavy burdens. The rolling ball tack test is an important quantitative method used to evaluate the adhesion properties of tapes and adhesives. This test works by first applying the test tape strip to a set inclined plane. Next, a steel ball bearing of defined weight and diameter is released down the slope of the inclined plane from a standard height and distance from the tape sample. As the steel ball rolls down and makes contact with the tape surface, the quantitative measurement taken is the distance the ball travels along the tape from the point of initial contact to where it completely stops sticking. This measured rolling ball tack distance directly correlates to strength of adhesion. Short tack distances indicate more aggressive, pressure-sensitive adhesives while longer distances equal non-aggressive adhesives with poorer tack. This test provides quantitative adhesion data that allows precise comparisons between different tape adhesives rather than subjective assessments. It simulates dynamic shear stresses and peeling forces that can act on tapes during application and use. The test method can evaluate effects of variables like substrate material, pressure applied to tape, angle of inclination, and ball bearing properties. Results correlate well to performance factors like how easily tapes resist lifting and whether adhesives transfer when peeled. Finally, we store tapes under controlled conditions for extended periods, then test their performance. This helps us predict how long the tape will last under normal storage conditions and how its adhesive properties might change over time. Behind every trusted tape is the Microlab seal of approval. Our rigorous range of tests provides complete assurance that adhesives meet the highest standards for safety and efficacy across industries and applications, through heat, cold, moisture, pressure, and time. State-of-the-art facilities manned by devoted specialists replicate years of real-world demands in accelerated fashion, accurately predicting long-term behavior. Our mark signals quality and innovation that secure aviation, safeguard health, and drive progress. Because at Microlab, we are sticking with you, today, tomorrow, and beyond.